Hello, my name is Darwin Garzon. I am applying for the tour guide position for the Liverpool to Manchester. Tour are British tours and travels. I am passionate about connecting with people from different cultures and creating warm, memorable experience. I have an intermediate level of English. I will drive lines for 4 years, a basic first, a diploma, and basic cooking skills. I am why I am willing to work irregular hours and spend long periods away from home. I believe my enthusiasm, friendly approach, and passion for service make me an ideal candidate for the role.